Okay, we will wait a few more minutes. Let's see who can join with us for this demo session. Okay, please wait for a few more minutes. Yeah, okay. Thanks for joining. So we have enough audience to start this demo session. So I'm going to share my screen to you guys. Okay. I hope you all are able to see my screen now. Okay. So yeah. Okay, yeah. Hi guys. So welcome to today demo session. So thanks for joining. So myself, Saida, and I'm since last 10 years I'm into IT industry, and since last 5 years I'm into Servicenow training and placements training. So I trained around many people since last 5 years. Okay, and currently I'm working in one of the product-based company as a lead. Okay, in service now. I worked on the couple of modules and on the many roles. Okay, so this is just small introduction about me. Okay, and I want to share. I just want to ask your experience in IT, or are you new to IT, and people are who are new to the service now. Okay, please share your details and your work experience you have in any other domains. Okay, can we can start with Rishi. So Rishi, can you share your can you introduce yourself to us? Okay.
Yeah, my name is Rishi.
Okay.
I have 1 year experience in Java,
Okay.
Java Spring Boot.
Okay.
ServiceNow is new to me.
Okay. And who suggested and why did you choose the service now?
Yeah,
I mean, who suggested the reason you select this service now for training?
yeah, my uncle suggested me to join
Oh,
this.
okay. 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 Thanks, Rishi. Thanks for sharing your details. So next, Valpi Venkatramana, can you introduce yourself to us? Okay. Yeah, Koti, if you're okay to continue, I mean, you can introduce yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My name is Koti. I have 4 years of experience in BPO. Currently, I'm
Okay,
working in model company as
okay,
senior analyst.
okay,
My
okay,
mom has suggested this course. Yeah, I wanted to get in IT field. So,
okay, okay. It's nice to hear from you. So, and next to Kiranmai, could you please introduce yourself to us?
Hi, this is Kiran. Actually, currently I'm working in Amazon as a non-IT.
Okay,
Uh, so my cousin was suggested me to join this course.
okay. Yes, sure. Thank you. And next, Pushpalata, could you please introduce yourself, your education and your work experience in IT? Do you have? Okay, Subbu, you can start.
yeah, I'm working in non-IT emphasis. I have 2.3 years of experience. Actually, my friend was suggested to join in this course actually.
Okay, okay. And Bhavana, could you please introduce yourself to us? Okay, I think Bhanu, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, good morning.
Yes, Bhanu, could you please introduce yourself to us?
Yeah, myself, Banashri. I recently graduated in Masters in Data Science.
Okay,
And I am shifting to like a non-IT to IT side.
okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, okay, thanks for introducing yourself to us. So, okay, quickly we can jump into our service now topics. So, so today our topics agenda for our demo session is introduction to the our training program, and I'll explain about the what is ServiceNow and the benefits of the ServiceNow, and who uses ServiceNow in organizations, and there are some products of the ServiceNow. I'm going to introduce of the ServiceNow, and I will explain who can learn the ServiceNow. Okay, these are the topics for us today for a demo session. So let's go to the next slide. So this is the introduction of the ServiceNow. These are the only few points I have mentioned here. So basically, ServiceNow is a cloud-based application. Okay, so normally any .NET or Java, we need to set up the infrastructure to deploy the applications. To use this application, we need servers, database, everything we need to install in our organization infrastructure. Okay, but where ServiceNow is a cloud base, you don't need to install any single software. Simply you can purchase from the ServiceNow, and you can use it like a Gmail. Like a Gmail, you're not installing anything, right? Simply we can go to the browser, you can type that, and you can use it for the email purpose. Like that, ServiceNow also, it is a cloud based platform where you can build the many applications. Okay, and the definition you can see here, it is a cloud based workflow automation platform that enables enterprise organizations to improve the operational efficiency by streamlining and automating the many tasks. So every organization say they need an applications to automate their business process. Coming to the ITSM for, yeah, for to provide the support to the any IT, like and employees onboarding, offboarding, and operations management, and to serve the outside customers, customer service management. Like that, we have the ServiceNow is providing an applications to automate the business process. And you can see the some of the major applications I mentioned here, like a ITSM, IT service management, ITOM, IT operations management, customer service management, and HRSD. These are the some major applications. There are many. ServiceNow introduced many applications, like a SAP. In SAP, we have more number of applications, right? Like a ServiceNow also, as per the industry requirements and needs, ServiceNow is created many applications. Okay, and we can consider it, and they are providing a platform. Like if we want to extend the capabilities of the ServiceNow, they are giving a platform to enhance the application functionality. Like a Gmail, like a Gmail, we can't enhance anything, right? We can't customize anything, just we have to use it. But ServiceNow, they are giving a platform with the scripting. We can enhance the functionality what they have provided. Normally, basically, they develop everything as per the 90%. They develop everything as per the customer's requirement, as per total outside organization need. But remaining 10%, as a developer or admin, we can customize the and we can enhance the service no functionality. And this is also we can consider as a software as a service. So we can come they can provide the services based on the subscription basis. So you don't need to buy all these application at a time. So if you want to use only ITSM, then you have to pay for only ITSM. And if you want to use ITOM, we can use, we need to pay the only. So subscription base, it will give the all the applications. So we don't need to buy anything, all the applications. Okay, and if you go to the history, normally the ServiceNow was founded by Fred Lady in 2003. It is in California. So it was started almost 20 years ago. Okay, if you go to the next slide, so here are the some of the benefits we have the in ServiceNow. The first point already we covered, right? It is hosted in the cloud. So you don't need to install and anything in the you don't need to create any infrastructure for this to install the ServiceNow. And it is based on the ITIL guidelines. So I information technology infrastructure library. So it is an worldwide all organization they follow these ITIL guidelines for this IT operations and I to develop a product. Everything they follow these ITIL guidelines. Okay, and it is easily customizable with JavaScript. So you don't need to learn any other programming languages to customize the service now. So simply JavaScript is enough, and JavaScript is very lightweight coding tool. You can easily learn within 1 week. You will get good knowledge in the JavaScript, and you don't need to learn entire JavaScript. Only the I will explain in the further classes what are the needs to be learned in the JavaScript. Okay. Next, data confidentiality and integrity. So our data is very secure, and ServiceNow they maintain the data in multiple data centers. So in India, in America, or so if one data center is down, you can access the data from another data center. So they store our data in the multiple data centers. So we have the data confidentiality and integrity. And continuity of the service, so they provide the service 24 by 7. So if you have any issues in the service now product, you can reach out them and they provide the continuity. And customer self service. Okay, so customer directly they can log in into the service now, they can order and they can request and they can report the issues. So customer directly they can use it for the self service. And so this is the one of the feature law recently they introduced. I think 4 years back they have introduced language translation. So let's take example, many countries they don't use English, so they use their own language, like a French. I'm working for a French company, so they are not good at English. They write their comments and the emails everything in the French. Automatically it will translate to English. But if you reply in the English, automatically ServiceNow can translate to French as per the language they have selected in their account. Okay, automatically language translation is enabled in the ServiceNow. And the powerful reporting. So we have so much data in the service now, so we can't see data, all the data, but we can use the reporting tools to create the some reports in the dashboards, like in the pie chart, donut, and different type of the reports we have. Okay, and free PDA to practice. Okay, PDI means personal developer instance. Okay, we can normally service now companies they purchase, but like us to who wants to practice the service now, we can get the free PDA, personal developer instance. If you have Gmail account, right? So you can easily create a PDA and you can practice. It is same like a organization interface, everything is same. Okay, there is no difference, so I will show you. Okay, and easy auto version upgrade. Okay, ServiceNow, they releases every year different version, latest version, and it we can upgrade the version very easily. Auto upgrade ServiceNow, only themselves they will upgrade from the backend. We don't need to anything, just we have to follow some process before version upgrade. Okay. Okay, next we'll go to the next slide. So this is the architecture of the ServiceNow, how it is delivering the data to the customer. Okay, so the first layer is ServiceNow data center. So here the ServiceNow maintain their infrastructure, data, everything. Okay, next ServiceNow firewall, and the next customer firewall. So we need to pass through ServiceNow firewall and the customer firewall, and last one is the user interface from user from here to here. So they have to follow these firewalls and they will access the data from the ServiceNow data center. This is the simple architecture. How, and let's say okay, this is an end user and here we have the data everything in the ServiceNow. So customer will interact with the system and they will get the response. Okay, this is the simple architecture of the ServiceNow. We don't need to learn about the everything what happening in the background. Okay. Okay, here in organization, so we want to know who uses the ServiceNow. Okay, so the first point is telling us employees. Normally, every employee in the any company, so they can use the ServiceNow to report their issues and the request the IT service. So, if they have any issue, something is not working, like they are unable to connect to company network and their laptop is not responding, so they can report these issues in the ServiceNow. My laptop is not working and I'm unable to connect to internet, Wi-Fi, like that. And that they can request if they need any special IT service, if they want to access some other applications, if they want to install something in their laptop. So if anything they can use the ServiceNow. Okay, and IT support staff. Okay, to manage the service request, incidents, and the problems. So employees they raise the incidents and the request. So IT support staff they will fulfill their requirements. Okay, like I am belongs to Windows team. So I one employee is raised a request to get the Microsoft Office access. So as a IT support guy, I will provide access to this person. Okay, this is IT support guy also, they use the ServiceNow to fulfill the service requests, incidents, and problems. These are the, they will provide services to resolve the incidents and the request. Let's come to administrators. So admin, he is the top level in the ServiceNow. So he manages everything in the as a administrator, like a providing accesses, configuring the existing functionalities. So he manages everything in the ServiceNow. Let's and we have the implementation. So implementers, like a ServiceNow, let's say okay, my company they recently started using the ServiceNow. Before using, someone implementation team has to implement each and everything in their environment. So to set up the process, features, everything they will implement in our organization. And the another role we have the developers. Okay, so developer means, so whatever that new functionality customer wants to implement in the ServiceNow, they create with the scripts and the custom applications. Custom entire applications also we can create in the ServiceNow. Normally ServiceNow they are giving some of the application, but your customer wants to create a complete new application in the ServiceNow, the developers they will do. Okay, these are the some normal roles. So okay, so here we can see who can choose the ServiceNow. Okay, so whether you can see the whether you are a established IT professional who wants for the career change. Okay, they can choose, like people are who are working in the .NET, Java, any other applications. So for the better opportunities, if you don't have their current role, they are not happy, if they are not happy, they can switch to ServiceNow for the better opportunities. And the recent graduates, okay, who wants to start their career in IT as a fresher. So freshers also have an opportunities, like a big companies like a TCS, Accenture, they are hiring the, if you put I am a certified in the ServiceNow in the resume, so they will definitely consider your profile for the interview. Okay, service many companies they are hiring freshers also. Okay, So why you are choosing the ServiceNow for a career path? Okay, you can see it is a high demand for the ServiceNow experts with digital transformation on the rise. Okay, and they are getting good pay, and we have the many roles like a developer, admin, and consultants. Okay, you will get the good opportunities. Okay, and you can see here the third point, the global many companies are they are started using the for service now for their organization needs. Okay, like ITSM, ITOM, everything. And one of the best one of the advantage service now, basically it is a cloud, right? So sometimes you will get a remote opportunities also, permanent work from home, like that also you will get, depends upon the company policies. So you don't need to be in your office mainly. Okay, so some for other technologies like Java and .NET, they have to be in the office for to use their applications. But service now, it is a cloud, right? So you don't need to be in your office. You can work for wherever you have the internet, you can use it. But if your company needs should be permission. Okay, give the permission. Okay, and how you can start the your career in the service now. Okay, so first you need to get training in the service now from any good organization under good trainer. You need to complete your training, then you can start your there are some certifications are you need to do in the service now. The first one is the certified system administrator, CSA certification. This is the basic certification you have. So if you completed the any training, so you will able to. And we have the dumps also in the, if you type in the Google, so somebody can provide the dumps. Okay, that certification dumps, if you practice them, you can easily complete the CSA certification. If you put this CSA certification in your profile, so you will get good opportunities. Okay, for the service now. And next step is gains hands-on experience okay, with our personal developer instance. Okay, you have to log in, you have to request for the personal developer instance. Once you get it, you can explore all the modules in the personal developer instance by practicing. Okay, and the step 3, join the ServiceNow community. Networking is a key. Okay, you can join the ServiceNow community site is there where all the developers they meet and they communicate, and they, if you have a query or question, you can post it there, and other persons, if they no answer, they will do reply to your question. Okay, and the last two, step 4 is, okay, apply entry level jobs like a service no admin. So you can start your career as a service no admin or a junior developer to get experience. Then you can shift your career to the like a service no developer as next roles you can. Okay, so here are the some of the products of ServiceNow. So there are many. So I just got this picture to we can show some products. Like if you see assert, change, problem management, incident management, customer service, you can see normally you can categorize into three: service management, business management, operations management. So you can see these all applications we have in the service now. And there are some other applications which we can't show here. So service now, they introduce the many applications. Okay, and who can learn the service now? Okay, so there are no prerequisites to learn the service now. People are who are not belongs to non IT and non IT, they can learn the service now, and there are no prerequisites. But if you are aware of the any programming, like any program like, JavaScript, any Python, if you have any programming, it would be little help to complete the course successfully. Okay, and to gain the better knowledge in the service now, if you have some knowledge in a program, it would be help you. Okay, so ServiceNow releases. In the previous slide I explained ServiceNow, they come with the every year two releases. Okay, so they and they follow alphabetic order. So currently version we are using Washington in my company, and the next version is Genado. You can see they are following the alphabetic order: Paris, Orlando, Quebec, Rome, San Diego. They are following this some city names, and they are following this alphabetic order. The currently we are using Washington, next is Janadu, and after Ecoma also came. Okay, Y also came. Next one I think Zurich I think. Okay, so every year they release the two versions with the latest features. Okay, every year they releases new one with the latest features. We have to be up to last three versions. Okay, if you should not use old versions like a Paris, and because we are in Janadu, Washington, we should be in these two versions. Okay, we should not use automatically. You should forcefully upgrade to the latest version. Otherwise, ServiceNow cannot provide a support to your instance. Okay. Okay, once you join into any project, so we have these roles, common roles in the ServiceNow job profile. Okay, like if you can join as an administrator if you have opportunity, you can join as a developer, and you can join as implementation specialist. And you if you have good experience, more than 5 6 years, if you have all the roles, you can join as a architect. And you can join as a QA, quality analysis. Okay, you can test the entire service no functionality as a QA. Okay, normal, these are the common job roles in the any every project we have. Okay. Okay, in this course, we are going to cover these applications, IT service management. Okay, in this IT service we have these applications. There are many, but in this course, these are the major applications. Okay, if you learn these applications, you will get good knowledge, and you can learn other modules by yourself. Okay, the first one is incident management. So, incident management normally to restore the any uninterrupted interrupted services to normal stage. Okay, let's take an example. um, well, today you go to office and you open your laptop, but your Microsoft Outlook or your Wi-Fi is not working. Then what you do? You go to ServiceNow. You can create a ticket. My system is not responding. Okay, you're the technician, that support team. They will come to you, and otherwise they can connect you through the remote. They can fix your issue. So that we call it as incident management. You created incident, and they will restore the your service. Next is the problem management. So this issue, the incident is happening for you every day on a weekly basis. Sometimes you're many times the issue is facing in your laptop. Then the problem team, they will consider it as a problem, and they will try to find the permanent fix, that root cause of that issue they will find. Okay, for that we follow the problem management process. So, and the next one is the change management. Normally normally regularly we add the functionality to any existing services like a service or anything. So we follow the systematic approach. We'll take the approvals, and we'll take the downtime to deploy any new feature into the any services. You follow the change management. Let's take our example. In our home we have the internet, right? So if you want to change the router or anything, so normally you ask the technician to come when you are free. While doing office work, you should not ask him to change the router, right? So we should, that is the we follow some approach to change the your modem. Like that, in our organization also, if you want to change anything, if you want to add the new service, everything, we follow this change management process to deploy the new changes. Okay, and the next one is the service request management. It is like a catalog application. Okay, like Amazon, you can see in Amazon you go and order whatever that things you need. Like in service now we have the service catalog application. Okay, whatever that services are available to you in your company, you can order them, like a requesting a new laptop, requesting a new monitor, mouse, keyboard, and accessing and requesting application access, anything. Anything, whatever the services your company can offer to you, you can request anything. Okay, they go to approval your manager needs to be approved, then the request will be fulfilled to you. And the last one is the knowledge management. By name, it is saying that we can share the knowledge to our company users. So, like a policies, like your HR will provide some policies about your company dress code and all. Like that, we maintain some documents as in the knowledge management format. So these are the applications we have in key applications in our ITSM suit. Okay, ITSM, there are many applications are there. These are the some key applications. If you learn entire life cycle of the each application, you will get good opportunities. Okay, this is our normally course content we have. Okay, okay, let me go to the notepad. Till now, anybody having any questions? No, right? Okay. Okay, let's come to our training. So we are going to, as I tell, we are going to cover the ITSM applications in our training. Okay, next one is the, so coming to the topics, like we are going to cover the admin topics and development topics and integration. So we are going to cover all these topics in our service now, including with the ITSM applications. Okay, and apart from this, we are we are going to cover the, so what services we provided, daily recordings we provide, and everyday notes, class notes, whatever the topics we are discussing, we'll provide the definitions and the material related to the, we are going to provide the class notes to you. And on everyday topic, we will, I will explain to you what interview questions we can get on the same topic. I will provide the interview questions to you. And so post training, I will provide the some tasks to do. Okay, what tasks every day you can practice. So I normally, as a working real time expert, so I do explain what are the regular activities we do in our office. So post that, I will provide the task, some tasks to practice. Okay, I will provide this all the services during the our training. And the training course will be takes 2 months, at least 2 months it will take. And every day 1 hour. Okay, every day 1 hour we can consider it, and the recording will be shared to you in the email. Okay, and so post training, so we will conduct the mock training. So every day, if you're in Hyderabad, we can come to institute for on Saturday, you can discuss all the doubts you have. Okay, and every daily basis also, in the starting class and the ending, the end of the class, I will ask the questions. If you have, you can share and your questions. And during the practice, if you get any doubts, you can ask me in the WhatsApp also. I will try to reply your questions in the WhatsApp. Okay, and post training, we will provide the interview support, like a mock trainings and the sharing the common regular interview questions, and we'll take the mock interviews to comfortable to in the interviews. Okay, these are the services we provide in our training. Okay, so apart from this, if you need any additional application needs to be covered in your training, so you can inform our admin team, so they will communicate to you about that. Okay, so guys, so this is all about our today training demo session. Okay, and I'll show it to you how the service now looks like. So normally, once you have, tomorrow I will explain how to create the developer instance, but normally we can go to this site developer.servicenow.com. So you have the sign in option, right? So here you can log in with your Gmail, whatever that account you have, you can log in with Gmail. You can provide the password. So here is the personal developer instance is service now is created for us. You can see this is the one. So again, we need to log in with admin password. One minute. 1 minute, it's loading. Yes, this is our ServiceNow interface. Even if, when you log in into the company ServiceNow also, company instance also, you will get the same interface. Everything is same. There is no difference. I will show in upcoming classes my company instance also. I can show sometime for the real time practice. Okay. So this is the same. Everything you can see. Okay. So I will tomorrow class, first class, I will explain to how to create this personal developer instance with your Gmail and all. Okay. So any doubts, guys, till now? So, and if you have any questions, you can ask me.
So after logging to the ServiceNow application, it's
Okay.
like it getting like waking up instance. Then what we
Yes.
need to do?
So yeah, normally ServiceNow they are giving an option. They are giving is free of cost, right? If you don't use it continuously, here you can see instance with no activity for over 10 days, it will be claimed back into the. So if you don't open continuously 10 days, it will be going to the. They will take back the instance from you. So every day, every 2 days or 3 days, try to open. Sometimes ServiceNow also they are facing some issue because of the unavailability, so we have to wait for some time, so they will give the instance back to you. Okay, sometimes I also face, I will
It
wait
take
for
time,
yes,
or we need to create new one, or we need to wait.
you can wait if you already practiced something in your scripts, right? So you can wait for some time. If you don't get back if you don't get back for after some time also, then you can create it new one.
From yesterday, I'm waiting for that, but it is
Okay,
not getting.
okay, just wait where today also, if you don't get back, you can create the new one.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Any other questions related to the content of the, so the course content will be shared to you from the institute, so you can go through that all the course content. And you, if you want to add any other applications also in the course content, you can let me know. Okay, I will try to add cover those topic also. Okay. Yeah.
I have one.
Yes. Yes, Koti. Yes, Koti.
How critical is development for when compared to Salesforce Apex?
Yeah, basically, when compared to Salesforce, it's very low. Normally, ServiceNow is famous for the low code and the no code. Okay, though I forgot to inform that point. It is a low code. Normally, sometimes we write the very code, and we can no code with no without coding also we can create the applications. So that is the advantage of the ServiceNow. Okay, that is famous. Normal this saying is circulating about the ServiceNow. It is a low code and the no code. I don't say without coding, but with low code. Even regularly we are working, right? We write very less code. Okay, we try to use the existing functionality as per the customer requirement. Okay,
Okay,
so just a little bit knowledge of the JavaScript is enough. Okay,
okay, thank you.
yeah. Subbu, you have, I think, one question, right?
Yeah, I thought to ask the same question.
Okay, yeah. So what about others? Do you have any questions? So this year, that means February, that opportunities also more about the service. No, you can go to the Naukri and you can go to the LinkedIn. You can search with the service. No, you can see many opportunities are open for. As per the demand, we don't have the skilled people in the service. No, recent study says opportunities are more, but we don't have the skilled people on the service. No, so if you practice well and if you practice the real time scenarios, by yourself you can clear your interview. Okay, that I can promise you. Okay, so yeah, I think we can close this session. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to the admin team. They will answer, try to answer you. Okay, and they will give my number. You can talk with me also if any questions you have. Okay. Okay, thanks for joining, guys. And tomorrow is the first class, and I will explain how to create the personal developer instance and the introduction of the instant interface. I will explain each and everything. Okay. Okay, thanks, guys. Thanks for joining. Okay, thank you. Bye.